Make a great choice today with the 2024 Mercedes-Benz GLE. The GLE comes with a full Mercedes luxury experience. It combines the sports sedan performance with SUV stability. It comes with beautiful, serene-looking interiors and a command system that is close by to access every setting under the sun. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear fog light, winter package, panorama sunroof. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.
A certified pre-owned Mercedes-Benz is so much more than a used car. It's built by a company famous for engineering triumphs, racing heritage, and its commitment to luxury, quality, reliability, and safety. Ask your dealer for details about the Mercedes-Benz Certified Pre-Owned program.